Right now, we are starting to dry out across the area, but the theme of the last month or so has been heavy rainfall. It's not just been rain, but it has been these downpours and tropical rains at times because of our high moisture levels that have been in place that has just led to this excessive rain that's resulted in flooding, at least ponding on the sides of the roads. I was even seeing that this morning driving into work in the middle of the night because some heavy rain coming down and the ground, it just doesn't need anymore, especially after what we've had and considering the heavy rain that fell in these same spots as we went through Sunday. But we have some drier conditions thankfully now after around a half an inch to an inch of rain falling between Cedar Rapids to Dubuque, and then just off to the south and west, some spots around Williamsburg and Sigourney, around 2 inches of rain falling there. And now all this moisture has moved off to the east, at least the rainfall has. We can still feel the moisture and that humidity out there, and we have some clouds lingering and some spots of some drizzle and a little bit of fog as well. There's been some clearing happening and we'll see some peaks of sunshine here and there, but we are going to have clouds around to start the day. There has been a couple of spots seeing some fog development as well, and visibility down around Tama and New Hampton at a quarter of a mile up to the north and a half mile around the Tama area, but haven't seen visibility widespread being an issue here. Temperatures are starting off around 70 degrees though, so a warm and muggy start to the day as the dew points are right up against that temperature. And heading into the afternoon, we're still going to feel that stickiness as the clouds stick around and temperatures make their way to around 80 degrees. But we are going to have a cold front moving in that will help bring in some relief to especially the mugginess and the rainfall. So the rain stays off to the east here. Cold front swings through, could lead to a spotty shower perhaps, but chances are rather low, and the front will help clear our skies into this evening and overnight. High pressure then moves in, winds turning out of the north, some nice drier air moves in. Not going to be quite as nice as it was 2 weeks ago when we got into some of that Canadian air and ended up in the smoke, but we are still going to have a nice break from the humidity and get some dry time before we're right back to it by Thursday afternoon. The winds are picking up out of the south and it's getting warmer and more humid and right back into summer. We will have though the humidity levels down about 10 degrees compared to today, in the low 60s for a lot of the day tomorrow. And so that is not necessarily super duper dry fall air, but it is going to be an improvement. And then Thursday we're working our way back up through that sticky range and then feeling it once again, heading into terrible nasty territory as we get into the upcoming weekend. That will lead to our next chance for showers and storms, but it does seem like after that we head into a bit of a drier pattern toward the end of August, which wouldn't be a bad thing at all because we could certainly use some dry time with how much rain we've had and the flooding issues that we've had as well. But we are going to sit around the normal mark temperature wise for the next few days, have maybe some spotty showers today with the front coming through. Temperatures will then be on their way up, the humidity and the moisture levels go back up, and the chance for showers and storms increases Sunday night into Monday.